I'm in traffic with my glitch. I call up twin like how you coming. We don't brag about no hits, but we ain't the ones that's doing the running. I done drove out counter straights, Hellcats the tracks. That shit ain't none.
What's the word, man? It's your boy Mike, aka LowEndMikeTV, back in the building with another reaction for niggas. We back, G. We back, G. I mean, I'm working. Y'all can see I'm working. Like I'm working. I'm going stupid, right? Y'all fucking with your boy? Y'all gotta be fucking with me, G. Cause y'all been showing hella love on these videos, man. Y'all been going stupid. Y'all been going stupid. Y'all been really standing on business and hitting that like button, tapping into the videos, hitting that subscribe button. And why don't y'all keep the streak going by hitting the like on this video, G? Hit the like on this video, hit the subscribe button, and we finna go stupid, you feel me? But today, man, look, we reacted to he's going to jail after this. Looking at the $10,000 O-line versus D-line 1on1’s. Deestroying. We tapping in with Deestroying. We finna go stupid. See what he hitting on. Now, I usually tap into the wide receiver 1on1’s. I kinda seen one of these videos, one of them little 1on1 receiver DBs. I might tap into that. I ain't gonna lie. So don't be surprised if y'all see a reaction pop out the cut of one of those videos. I fuck with those heavy, but we about to see what this hitting on. Let's get to it.
Hey y'all boys, welcome to I think now the third Deestroying 1on1’s, fam.
Damn. The shirt over?
I'm from here, so shut the f out today. The $10,000 line. First and foremost, I want to shout out Accelerator, the best brand in the world. If y'all need energy or anything, we got fridges all throughout. Come get
Good
it.
sponsorship.
Link down in the video and get your own. We got the dogs out, we got the goals, we got the bread, we got the Accelerator. Get some money, man. Before we get into this action, here's the rule. We're running a 16-team bracket with each team made up of 1 O lineman and 1 D lineman. Each team will send a player to compete in a 1v1 best of 3 match. If you get a sack or a stop, it's a point. Whichever team wins on both sides.
Let me switch my headset. Give me 1 second, G.
Moves on. There happens to be a 1-1 tie between
We back in business.
and the winner will move on. You want it again? Run his ass up, nigga. Is that bull rush? Last one that y'all do.
You got that too easy.
I ain't nobody. I'm ass.
Hurry, he won one round. What the fuck?
Too easy. Man, they getting too easy.
Oh my God, bro, D-line eating.
Okay.
First O-lineman.
Oh, he little.
Okay, O-lineman waking up now.
He was too little. Damn, they got him in a. Golly. Damn. And they about to squabble?
Call me, boy. What you talking about? Is that a bull rush? See no move get work. Did y'all see him work a move?
Hell no. He ain't got no moves. That's all. Damn. He muffing him? Oh!
Real quick. We brought a special guest for y'all, boy. Motherfucking all-pro. Deestroying motherfucking Lions. Panay Sewell, boy.
Okay.
You good? I appreciate you having me out.
We're out here evaluating these O-linemen, D-linemen. I need you close because I need your experience, my boy.
I got you.
Oh, that's a mismatch. He too little. Too little. He got that. Too easy. Oh my God. god. Oh my god. That count? Ain't count, okay. Damn!
I love Florida. I love it here, man. The energy crazy.
Bro, I feel like, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I feel like linemen don't get a lot of love like they should be getting, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna hold you. I feel like that. I feel like linemen don't get a lot of love simply because that's a lot of work, G. When I be seeing them line, like, you really gotta push this 300-pound man play after play after play. Like, that's tiring, that's draining. And on top of that, like, a O-line or D-line, like, that can make or break your team. Like, if a quarterback got a terrible line, you over with. You over with. Your team is done. You not doing nothing. Like, you just seen the shit with Coach Prime. He just had to, you know what I'm saying? He had to make some hella changes to his line because Shador out here running for his fucking life. He out here running like he stole some every play. So, you know, I think linemen should get more love, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I think linemen should get way more love.
What do you think about that one?
There you go.
He looks small, too. Oh, my God. That's a block. Yeah, he jammed him up. He jammed him up badly. Too easy. Come on. Shiesty on. You gotta get there. You got the shiesty on. Too easy. Some of these is too easy. Damn. Bruh, having them like this and still losing is crazy. Okay. Hey.
Look at his stance.
That whole shit was trash. Oh my God. He's just not even fast. He ain't even trying to do a move. Like, what the fuck was that?
If you got a band, bring it in. They are right now.
Oh, it is bull rush. That's O-line.
Now you want it. It's your time. Wide receiver, DB1.
That's funny as hell. That's funny as hell. Yeah. Oh no, he done. He done. He done. Good enough. They ran it back? What the fuck? That's a mismatch. Badly. Okay, okay. Ooh. But working on niggas? He's just too fast, bro. You too fast for him. Oh my, come on, folks, asshole. Get your ass out of here.
Drink an accelerator. There we go. should have an accelerator, bro.
Too easy. Damn.
That's a grown man right there. Jason Kelsey. Team 9 moves on.
Oh, kill. Kill.
Hey, that boy put Sap on the floor.
We got it. Yeah, okay. Shirt over with, but that's cool.
Homies here, so like, take the shirt off.
Pause. What do you call it? The chokehold is crazy. That's going. The chokehold is crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Like, you could do that. I didn't know you could do that. I'm not real savvy to football. I ain't gonna lie. I don't watch football at all anymore. I watch a highlight here and there, but that you could do that. You could strong arm a nigga neck while he trying to come through to the quarterback. You could do that. That's crazy.
You might keep Sap alive.
He just gave up.
You want to win that.
Go ahead, man, bro. Get on there, bro.
Y'all boys play old lineman.
Over his head. He was locked up the whole way, low key.
You can put me on camera now. I'm a boy.
Oh,
You got an influence 50 right now.
oh.
Switch him up.
It looked beautiful when they get by with the spin move. With the spin move, bro. My fault. I'm gonna stop pausing. But with the spin move, bro, it's either you can get it could look real good or real bad. Like when you get a motherfucker with the spin move, that should look beautiful. But when you get jammed up, it's like, golly, stupid Annie. Too fast.
Come on. Everybody. What you got? I got complete.
What the fuck was that?
Got a cramp. Look at this, sir. What you got? I got complete.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
What the hell? He got a cramp.
Bro, he ain't even moving, bro.
Hey, boy. He ain't even said a word. Just straight face. I do this.
Them pure speed dudes, crazy.
Both y'all team tied. Since y'all talking that shit, this rep gonna decide.
That nigga ain't even look like an O-line. He look like a linebacker or something.
My shoulder, we can do that. Trust him, bro.
Oh, he's out of here. Why you stop? He should just took him all the way down the field. A go route all the way down. Fuck it. Over his head top. Just take him all the way. Take him all the way. Yeah. My boy got the drenched pajamas on, done died in the most.
I think O-lineman won that one. O-line won that one.
Oh my God.
Switch him up. They wild in the crowd.
Throwing water is crazy. Who got that?
1-1. I love the energy, man. This is why I love Florida.
Ooh, nasty, disgusting.
He won the up top.
Okay. Damn. His whole.
I threw it up. Get a real QB in there. I ain't on cue.
His whole rib cage is gone. Okay.
D-line got that.
Yo, they shirts is over with. Damn.
Tight shit. A nigga really got a warrant out. You feel me?
Too easy.
1-1.
Let's get it. Damn.
Y'all niggas talking about, bro?
We on to the next round, y'all boys. It is 8 teams left. We going team 12 versus team 3. Let's get money.
Jammed up. Over with.
Good, and he don't even look like he trying.
Oh my God. He just smoked that boy. Jesus. Okay. Okay.
I like this matchup.
1-1, let's go. Oh my God. He still got that. Come on, bro. He done up. He done up. Over with.
Get his ass slapped right now.
Oh yeah. What's that? What's that? 1-1, okay. Okay. Why'd you spin? Oh my God. He still got that though. That's a funny part. Oh! He cooked his ass. He cooked his ass.
Other team move on. You gotta have it.
He cooked his ass. This nigga's cold. But he like a linebacker though. Ooh.
He picked his quarterback. He said, "This is my brother. I want him. If his brother sell him on the ball,
He overthrew it badly.
pick the quarterback."
It's the size of the fight in the dog.
Shut up.
Hey, he signed up for this at the end of the day.
Little boy.
Nigga said in the middle of the route.
Ooh.
We in that hole, man. We in that hole, big bro.
We in that old baby, bro.
4 teams left. We got team 3 versus team 9 and team 4 versus 16, fam. 3
Let's
and
get
9,
it.
Let's go.
Done up.
That's straight straps, fam. See how my
Done
hand
up.
putting the bag back up and shit, you feel me?
Done up. Nah, that's done up. Okay, he got that right there.
Team 9 doing
He redeemed himself. Yo, he all Jason Kelce, like.
Lock his ass up again. He threw me that sorry ass ball.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Let's go.
Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What? Damn. Yeah, it was looking crazy. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he been eating all fucking day.
He fast as hell. That big guy, you not getting past him. He's just yoking you up.
Like that, nigga. I'm telling you. Tell everyone I'm like
He's just yoking you up, bro.
We in the championship bracket. Team 3, team 16. All right, y'all boys, we in the championship. We got team 3 versus team 16. Both these boys been going crazy. It's 10 bands on the line. And one of these teams
10
won
Band-Aids.
man. Let them know who y'all is.
Hey, what's up? Jay Crowd, class of 2026, Bishop Moore, 16 offers.
Hey, I'm Josh Raymond. I go to Lake Mary High School. Y'all can catch me at Vanderbilt next year.
Brown, class of 2025.
I'm at Dr. Phillips. I ain't gotta say too much. That shit don't matter to me, brother.
It's your boy Battle, man. I'm standing on straight business. Shout that boy Boss and D-Lo, you feel me?
We've been going best of 3, but since it's 10 mans on the line, we going best of 5 for the chip, bitch.
Let's get it for the chip. Oh,
That's one for the defense. That's one for the defense.
that man. Oh. Okay, he got him right there. He like gripping the skin, like that looked crazy. Okay.
Best left tackle here. Me and D, I feel it. 2-1.
He over with. He over with.
Vandy got 3. Switch him up.
Killed them fast. You can scoot by without getting jammed up. It's over with. That's too easy. Oh. Got jammed up. It's over with. Let's get it. You got it.
Hey, check me out, man. We got some winners, y'all.
Hey, I'm out here. I don't care about the money. I love to compete. Due to NIL rules, I can't take it. I'm gonna be donating it all away.
Yeah. Okay. You getting that money? Yeah. Yeah. That was fire, man. That was fire. I'm gonna be checking out. Hey, if you do the O-line versus D-line again, I will be tuning in. You feel me? Hey, I'm gonna tap in with the wide receiver 1on1s too. You know those never get old. But look, shout out to Deestroying, man. Look, the original link to the original video will be down low in the description, man. Make sure y'all tap in if y'all don't want to hear me ramble through the video and pause through this motherfucker the whole time. It's cool. But look though, man, y'all make sure y'all tap into my TikTok, man. I'm dropping videos like a motherfucker. I got hella shit in the vault to drop, hella funny moments to drop on there. Make sure y'all tapped in. I just dropped 2 videos on there, 2 TikToks. Yesterday, I dropped 1 yesterday and I dropped 1 today. I think. I don't know. My brain's scrambled. I've been working, G. I've been working, you feel me? I don't know. Y'all go tap in, get y'all a laugh, man. All the funny moments from streams, videos, reactions, game, and everything. Go right to the TikTok, get you a good laugh. If you don't want to go to the TikTok, just slide over there, click my profile. Click my profile, go over there to the YouTube Shorts, man. We got the same videos over there. It's lit over there too, man. If you wanna be lazy and stay on YouTube, tap into the Shorts. If you fuck with your boy like that, tap in over there at the TikTok, G. You know what I mean? Fuck with your boy. But look, man, as well, Twitch, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every Monday and Friday. That's Twitch, LowEndMike. 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time every Monday and Friday. The link to that is down below in the description as well. Make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button on this video. We on the road to 1K subscribers. I'm working, you feel me? I'm trying to get that 100K plaque, man. I'm working. I'm trying to get that 100 band-aids on this motherfucker, man. We gonna get there, man. We working, man. Look, but make sure y'all tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a auntie to fuck with your boy LowEndMikeTV, man. And as always, love everybody who love me, support everybody who support me, and I'm out.